In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip the chart in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open TradingView in your browser. This platform is super user-friendly, and once you're on it, you'll have the charts you need right at your fingertips. Just type in www.tradingview.com and you should see the interface pop up in front of you. Once you're logged in, or if you're just browsing, you can go ahead and select the market you want to analyze. TradingView allows you to choose from various markets like stocks, forex, or even cryptocurrencies. If you have a specific asset in mind, just use the search bar to find it quickly. Now, let's move on to flipping that chart. It's a handy feature that can help you analyze data from a different perspective. To easily flip the chart, the next step is to click on the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. You can typically find this icon on the chart area in the toolbar at the top. Clicking this will open up the chart settings menu where all the magic happens. Once you have that menu open, you'll want to look for the option that says invert scale. It's usually towards the bottom of the settings options. Once you check this option, you'll see that the chart is flipped upside down, providing a fresh perspective on your data. This can be especially useful for traders looking to analyze market trends differently. Watching the price movements in reverse can sometimes reveal unseen opportunities or discrepancies. If you prefer a quicker way to do this, TradingView has a shortcut for you. Instead of navigating through settings, you can simply press Alt-I on your keyboard to invert the chart. This shortcut is a little secret tool that power users love to use for speed. It's a great feature to keep handy as you dive deeper into your trading analysis. And just like that, you've successfully flipped your TradingView chart. Whether you're using it for technical analysis, pattern recognition, or even just to mix things up a bit, flipping the chart can be a great way to gain new insights. Remember, as you become more familiar with TradingView, you'll discover even more tools and features at your disposal. The platform is rich with customization options meant to enhance your trading experience, so don't hesitate to explore them. If you found this guide helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Your support helps me create more informative content like this. TradingView is a powerful platform for traders, and mastering its features can significantly impact your trading strategy. So, thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy your trading experience moving forward.